We are tracking some breaking news right now from the U.S. Supreme Court as the justices appear poised to allow emergency abortions in Idaho when a pregnant patient's health is at serious risk. We say appears here because this ruling was not among the opinions issued by the court this morning. Instead, a copy of this decision seemed to show up briefly on the court's website. This is according to Bloomberg. NewsNation correspondent Joe Connell joining us live from Washington. Joe, I'm so glad you're here on this. What is going on? Is this a leak?
Well, the court says no. The court says it was an accident, but obviously it raises a whole bunch of questions, Natasha. And so for that reason, we have two major stories coming out of this. The first one is the decision itself, or the apparent decision that is likely going to come down. And the second thing is how all of this happened. So let's take the first one, because this is one of the most important cases that we've been watching. Idaho is a state where they have virtually no abortions legally anymore. They've added a number of restrictions. And this case was about whether if a woman has a medical emergency and walks into a hospital, whether those doctors could be prosecuted for giving her an abortion in an emergency case. And Idaho said, yes, they can be. A court order said, no, they cannot be prosecuted. The Supreme Court effectively put that court order back in place, allowing these abortions to happen in Idaho despite their restrictions. It's important to note, however, this is not one of those cases where that's going to be the law of the land everywhere. It was limited in the way that they presumably have ruled here. And the limit is this is just for the case in Idaho. It doesn't go beyond that. It could later. We'll see. But for now, that is the apparent decision, we think. And we say apparent decision because, again, this appeared just for a few minutes. The court says accidentally on their website. This is what the court says about what happened today. Quote, the opinion in the case has not been released. The court's publications unit inadvertently and briefly uploaded a document to the court's website. The court's opinion in these cases will be issued in due course. And Natasha, the Supreme Court has a credibility issue right now, and this certainly is not going to help that. The Dobbs decision, arguably the most important decision in generations, was leaked, as everyone knows. And now you've got this, along with questions about the justices themselves and how much money they're spending, whether they're taking improper gifts and not reporting them. All of these have raised questions about the court itself. The fact that you've got now an accidental post, according to the court anyway, is going to raise questions about whether this actually was accidental or whether it was something maybe more nefarious going on. But that is what the court says about it anyway. So it looks like we have an indication of how this case is going to play out. We just have to wait maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday, when more decisions come down, whether this one is a part of those decisions released.
Okay. Joe Connell walking us through that. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.